This is the DW drum key. The pack comes in 2 of these. I only have 1 of these guys here, and I gotta say I do really like this guy. It is hefty. It's got a great fit on tension rods here. I've got a drum right here, and if I go over to the drum, it's on. I can tune. I can crank this guy down with this drum key without a worry. There's enough material here at the top of the drum key to where I'm not worried about this guy breaking, and I can also really crank on stuff. And one really cool feature is that it's got this hole here, so if you like to have a drum key on your keyring, so you know you will always have one because these things seem to disappear randomly, this guy is for you. This is super helpful, and with the pack of 2, you'll be able to have one on your drum kit somewhere, whether through a keyring or some type of holder, and one on your keyring, so you always have a drum key available to you. So if you're in the market for a really solid drum key, this is a Drum Workshop drum key, and it is fantastic. I really like it. This is one of my favorite drum keys. I highly recommend it.